Guys, I'm back for an update. Recap lang tayo ha. September 22, Friday tayo nag-order ng GCash card. And since nasa Mindanao ako, up to 10 business days daw bago ma-deliver yung ating GCash card. So let's see. Since nag-order tayo Friday, ang bilangan natin will be Monday na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, dapat on or before October 6, ma-receive na natin yung ating GCash card. So, kailan nga ba dumating yung ating GCash card? Guys, good news kasi October 5th, na-receive na natin yung ating GCash card. So, that's 9 business days after natin mag-order ng GCash card. Okay? Dineliver nila dun sa pinangako nila na time frame. Look at the card, guys. Can I just say na bet ko yung design niya. Naka-portrait po siya, guys. It's a Visa card. May pangalan na rin natin dyan. And yung information ng card ay makikita natin sa likod.